switching that one over there. Oh, did I just use this one with it? Damn. So hard to get out. Fuck. Right now, I'm just getting on the bike. The bike's warmed up, you feel me? I'm about to warm it up right now with the 1 foot down. Then I'm going right to the 2 feet on wheelies, man. That's what I really want to learn how to do. So I ain't going to do too much of the 1 foot down right now. I'm just going to warm up on that. Make sure the brake, you feel me? Get that muscle memory flowing again. And then I'm going right to the 2 feet on. So yeah, let's go. Better with the 1 foot down. Warmed up, you feel me? I feel like I got a nice little rhythm. I got the throttle control, nice little rhythm on that. Now I'm about to go with the 2 feet on. This is what I really want, so this is what I'm really practicing for right here, man. The 2 feet on wheelies, day 10, let's go. That shit is tough right now, for real. I ain't gonna lie. It feel like it just feel like, man. It feel like I'm trying to pop it up high enough, but I don't got the speed to go with it, so it's a little tough. But it's a little tough. But I'ma just, you know what I mean? It's, you know what? Trying to practice wheeling the dirt bikes is kind of frustrating, low key, because I want to do it so bad, but it's still not happening. Like, all my learning, all my progress I made, I still need a lot of work, and it's like, I know I'm new in it, but you know it's gonna take time, but I'm gonna get it. I'm going back in. Hey, I see, as y'all can see that one I just did right there, I just had to get the bike up high quick, and see, I learned that the other day, for real. I keep, every time I come out and practice something, I tell myself before I leave, like, oh, I gotta do that. When I come back, I'm gonna work on that. But I forget it, and then now I just remembered, like, my tip and technique that's helping me out with the wheelies is popping it up high as I can as soon as I start the wheelie off the rip. Like, not even working my way up, like, man. It's like, what working for me, that's helping me is this, boom, popping it like right here, like as soon as it starts, just popping it up high as I can, and then I start feathering it again with the throttle. That's working for me, but it might help somebody else who's learning just like me. I'm going back in. time I get up in the wheelie, I keep turning my handlebars to the side every time I get in the wheelie, yo. I gotta practice on my body position is so off right now. Hey, I don't know, I'm getting more comfortable though, I can say that. I'm getting more comfortable with my bike, man. I'm popping that thing up, but damn, I still got a lot of work to do. I'm telling you. I got so much work to do. Don't make no sense, yo. Yeah. I'm trying, like, what I was doing was trying to make sure I'm getting, like, I calmed it back down, didn't focus on distance right there. I calmed it back down to just make sure I had my control. You know what I mean? I didn't focus on rushing the distance part just now. I just focus on just popping it up, you know, some short controlled wheelies right now, and then transfer that into the long distance right now. So that's my main focus too, is like having control of my bike instead of rushing the distance on it and just like trying my luck. I want to be nice and controlled when I wheelie, for come down the block 2 miles per hour. You know what I'm talking about? The height of the pop-ups is fucking with my brain right now, man. It feels like it's so high, but it's not. Like, it's like an illusion. Like, having a bike up is like an illusion, yo. It's like you gotta practice this joint. Like, for real, you have to practice. It's like an illusion. Like, I'm not scared of it, but when it go that high, it's like my body still frees up a little bit. Like, it's crazy. Like, it's like I gotta do this like 1,000,000 times, yeah. That's all I want to say. Real comfortable with it, man. That's my goal too. Get real comfortable. Real comfortable in the pocket, for real. I mean, real comfortable. Real comfortable at them high heights, for real. After that, you feel me? I can take it to that distance. But right now, you feel me? You gotta be one with your bike, you feel me? If you ain't one with your bike, you ain't doing much. You ain't doing much or nothing, for real. Me and the bike becoming one, you feel me? Hey, I can see myself right now when I'm up on that wheelie. I know y'all see when I'm up on that wheelie, I'm looking to that side for real, dodging them cars. You understand what I'm talking about? I see myself right now weaving through that traffic. Alright, there y'all have it, day 10 wheelie practice, man. Hey, I'm getting better and finding out what I'm doing worse at the same time. So all I'm gonna say is this takes time. You gotta have patience. You gotta keep coming out here and practicing. And you can do anything. If I can do it, I'm learning, y'all wheeling, whatever. Anything you work on, you can do. I'll see y'all in the next video.